Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily Apron. Today I am sharing a special pasta recipe, a chickpea spinach pasta. Before entering to the recipe, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And do check out all the recipes which I have posted before and also the vlogs. So let's jump into the recipe. To make this pasta, to a pan add 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon pine nuts. Roast the pine nuts on low flame. Then add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute the garlic for 30 seconds and then add 150 gram or 1 cup cooked chickpeas. I'm using here the canned chickpeas, but you can either soak the chickpeas overnight and cook it and use that for this pasta. Saute this chickpeas for 1 to 2 minutes and then add 150 grams frozen spinach. You can either use the fresh spinach or the frozen ones. So I have frozen ones in hand and I'm using that. And just, you don't need to thaw the spinach. You can directly add this to the chickpeas and let it cook. Cover it and cook it until this frozen spinach is thawed and cooked completely. Just give it a mix. You can change the chickpeas and spinach ratio according to your taste. So I prefer this way, almost equal amount of chickpeas and spinach. You can either increase the amount of chickpeas and or increase the amount of spinach. It's up to you. And then I'm going to add some Italian herbs. So this contains oregano, basil, some crushed chili and dried garlic, and it's at least 2 to 3 teaspoons. It gives a nice aroma, and always try to use this kind of dried herbs in your pasta recipes. Also I'm adding half a teaspoon of oregano, separate the dried oregano, and salt to taste. And give it a good mix. So here I have cooked separately 200 grams of penne pasta. I haven't shown here. I have shown how to cook penne pasta in previous videos, and I'm using here this long penne rigata cooked penne pasta to the chickpea and spinach mix. And the secret ingredient in this pasta recipe is this coconut milk. I'm adding here 100 ml thick coconut milk. So I have used the Maggi coconut milk powder and use thick coconut milk for this recipe. We call onnampal in Malayalam. Give it a good mix and just add some crushed black pepper and give it a good mix. and cover and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Ready, or then the pasta is almost ready. And adding 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes cut into half. This is just optional, it gives a nice fresh flavor to the pasta, and also it looks good with the green, red and yellow color. It's just optional, if you don't have just skip this part. And the pasta is ready.